Today, I'll show you how to make Brinjal Masala. For this, I'll need 4 brinjals, 1 big onion chopped, fenugreek powder, ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, sugar, chili powder, chopped chilies, coriander powder, salt, tamarind water, chopped tomatoes, curry leaves, coconut oil and optionally garam masala. Make 2 cuts on brinjal without separating pieces from the stem. By adding a little water, make a paste of turmeric powder, chili powder and salt. Rub the paste on the brinjal and let it marinate for 10 minutes. Heat coconut oil in a pan and fry the brinjal, turning occasionally. Set aside the brinjals once it is done. In another pan, heat coconut oil. Saute the chopped onion, adding little salt, chilies and ginger garlic paste. When onion turn light golden color and the raw smell of ginger garlic paste is gone, add turmeric powder, coriander powder and chili powder. Fry for some time. Add chopped tomatoes and little water. Fry till tomatoes become soft and oil started separating. Pour enough water and add fenugreek powder and tamarind water. Stir well. Add little sugar to balance the taste of tamarind water and salt. If necessary, add little salt. Now add fried brinjals and curry leaves. Cover and cook till the gravy becomes thick. Optionally, you can sprinkle little garam masala. Brinjal masala is ready now and you can move it into a serving dish. Brinjal masala is a popular and easy to cook recipe. It goes well with roti, naan, paratha or any Indian flatbread variety.